So it's literally like 10:30 and the weather is gloomy and I have to go out in this weather. I don't like this weather though. It can rain anytime. So yeah. But I have to go out for some work to university. So I got my admission procedure done, everything. So I have to go there and just do other formalities and get done with that. So I'm getting ready. I'm going with my friend. We're gonna hang out somewhere nearby. And that's all. Come home. That's all. I'm applying sunscreen. थोड़ा सा मुझे I'm not in the mood of getting ready actually. But let it be. The weather is gloomy as I said. And it's sunny also sometimes. I don't know what's with the weather actually. I should have tied my hairs up, but let it be. I have changed my clothes actually. I took shower and everything. I'm wearing this t-shirt because I don't want to wear too much at all. And I hope I come home soon. At least 5 baje tak. I don't want to be out for too long because it can rain anytime. And I don't like to stay out when it's raining. So I'm not doing too much of makeup because of that. And मैं वैसे भी नहीं करती हूँ. Like it's very basic. Sometimes I just sunscreen and the water tints. उसके ऊपर powder tint नहीं जाएगा. I really have nothing to talk about. And I am totally dependent on the camera with whatever I'm doing on my face. मुझे blur दिख रहा है like इतना भी blur नहीं blurred. Yeah. Somehow I do my makeup and it turns out pretty good. I have a mirror here and I forgot. Yep. This is the way I want it. And I'm applying velvet lip tint. थोड़ा सा. वो भी ज़्यादा नहीं. अजीब दिखता है यार. इतना थोड़ा सा I look I don't know, I look weird with this lipstick. I guess I should apply something. I'm making weird faces. I guess it's done. And I guess I'm done with the makeup. I'll comb my hairs and I'm done. That's all. Literally, that's all. I have nothing else to do with this face. I'll now leave. I'll put some stuffs in the bag and I'll leave. That's all. I'll catch you guys when I'm leaving. I'm gonna carry this shoulder bag and I'm gonna put इसमें some stuffs. इसमें वैसे ये 2-4 चीज़ें ही हैं, earpods and everything I put. But I have this, but this is literally expensive, so I found somewhere nearby. So this one so to carry basically. So I carried this. These are like quite similar, like very similar. थोड़ा सा difference is there like in the color, but pretty close. The texture is also very similar actually. I don't know about the color, but the quality I would say is different. I mean the texture is same. So I carried this instead of that because I can use it anywhere. Because I lost two of my lip balms dot in ki ke वैसे ही. I'll put this lip balm and a lip gloss with me. Anytime I can do anything, and I have a phone there. Yeah, that's all in this bag. Phone, and I'll leave and apply body mist. And I guess that's all. I'll eat actually now. I'll go have my breakfast, and we are having aloo wale sandwiches. So yeah, I'll have that and maybe coffee. I'm not sure. I'll have a coffee. I don't know. बाहर जाके भी पी सकती हूँ. But yeah, let's see. Till then, bye. Leave. I'm such in a hurry. So I leave now. I just came from the university directly to a cafe. We have some work here. So we'll get our work done sitting in the cafe. And yeah, that's all. अभी तक तो कोई काम नहीं किया है. We are at mall and now we are having a subway basically. Hi, I'm home. I came home quite early. Like when I left, it was around 10:30, and now it's literally 4:30. Like I'm घर जल्दी आ गई. The whole day was really fun. Nothing to do much, but we went cafe, फिर mall, and nothing exciting. I took bus and I came home basically. I got my work done. I got myself two glasses for coffee. Like in the evening when I make coffee, I'll show you how the glasses are. And I got those on a very good steal deal. Like their prices were for 140, but I got them for 70 each. Like there was some discount going on in Dorab cheese. I don't know, but I got myself two glasses for coffee, and I really wanted more glasses. Like I was going on through Amazon, वगैरह में, and those were really expensive there, like 300 and something. I was like, and luckily like we were just roaming, and मैंने पहले जैसे glass खरीदा उसके बाद I started buying घर के लिए सामान. Like I literally video called my mom and I was like, I am here, do we want anything, like anything we do need at home. So thoda thoda karke abhi list nikla. But I still bought something, some little bit only because I was not able to carry too much stuff with me. Whatever. I had bahari for lunch. I had a some, and I had coffee in cafe. But now I'm not hungry though. But maybe I'll get hungry in a while. And it's raining actually. And yeah, I'm gonna read a book. This is the Shatter Me series by Tahereh Mafi. Like, what series? I don't know. It has few books behind. So this is the part one. So I'm gonna read this. I don't know. I don't have a single idea about this book. I did saw something on YouTube, but I don't remember. And I bought this book a long ago, like 6 months ago, but I was very busy. So I guess I'll read this book. I feel like I want to have popcorn because the weather is so good. Like it's raining, and I feel like popcorn or something I want to have. But till then, I'll read. And yeah, I changed and everything. And yeah, I don't know about the evening plan. So I'll read. Till then,
দুনিয়ার জিনিস দেখে তো বলছে খাওয়ার জন্য বড় বড় টেস্টটাই তো খুব
hi. So I came home and then I was reading this book and I literally finished it in one go. There were 50 chapters and I somehow managed to read it and I finished this whole book. Like, this is the first ever book I completed within 12 hours. Like, मैं बीच बीच में पढ़ रही थी पूरा दिन. And then when I was going out, I was trying to read it. And the story was okay. I did not like the story itna because I like these types of genres, but it just did not hit me because the protagonist is too young and there is no connection. So I did not like it. But I don't know if I'll read the second part. First, I'll go do some research. Is the second part worth it? Otherwise, I'll hunt for some different book. So, whatever, I'm done with this book, and I guess I have changed. I washed my face and everything. Now I'll go to sleep, and I guess that's all for this vlog. Hope you liked it, and yeah, that's all. Good night, bye.